I never thought I'd be saying this, but I really need your help.
What's the matter, Cait?
Everything is the matter. We're friends now, which means I can trust you with anything. I'm also hoping it means you've got me back, 'cause I need it now more than ever. I'm sick. And I don't think I can hide it from you anymore.
Okay, calm down and take a deep breath. If you're sick, I want to help you.
Okay. It's like this. Ever since I left home, I've been using Psycho. I don't know why I'm still taking that crap, but I can't stop. And believe me, I've tried. I can't even go a day without it anymore, and I'm fucking sick and tired of it. I've even been doing it behind your back. Sneaking doses when I think you aren't looking. Worst of all, it's been making me sick. I've been spitting blood and I don't feel right inside. I need to get this shite out of me system before I wind up dead.
Tell me how we can clean you up.
Well, there might be a way, but it's not gonna be easy. There's supposed to be a vault somewhere out here. A place called Vault 95. I've heard that Vault Tech used it for some kind of social experiment. Stuck a bunch of junkies inside to poke and prod. Well, they supposedly had some special method to clean up those blokes in there. Some kind of a machine or something. If we could get inside, maybe that machine could help me.
Do you know where we could find Vault 95?
Not really, no. All I know is it's supposed to be somewhere in the southwestern part of the Commonwealth. Look, I don't want you to think I'm some kind of low-life junkie. A stupid girl who's harming herself for no good reason. From one friend to another. All I'm asking is for your help. When you're ready, take me out to Vault 95 and help me put an end to me pain.
Detected. Curious. Please reveal yourself. You cannot remain undetected for long. I recommend against hostile attention and ambush. Overactive sensors, nothing more.
Hey.
You wanted to ask something?
Your thoughts?
I don't mind hoofing it as long as there's some excitement at the end of the road.
How do you feel about our relationship?
Things are going great, and they keep getting better. I hope it lasts.
That's all for now.
Sure.
Synth.
Destruction of fellow Synth. Verify.
Where did you go?
Contact detected. Possibly. Hello. must be terminated.
Please come out. I am no longer detecting an enemy presence.
Fly. Sensors indicated concealed organic. Wiring detected. Curious. Overactive. Sense combat initiated. Engaging hostile.
You may now resume your normal activities. Law and order has prevailed.
Yes.
Head's ringing. Is it just me? Or is this too easy?
Excellent.
Overactive sensors. Nothing more. Attacking human.
Synth! Take him
It would
out!
appear my target has...
It's like this. Whoa, whoa. You hear that?
malfunctioning.
You must die now, human.
just getting warmed up. Hold up. You lose. You mean that's it?
Attacking enemy.
Curious.
Heads up.
What you need?
Hey there.
Anything wrong?
Your thoughts?
Hate to admit it, but I'm having the time of my life.
How do you think things are between us?
We're doing pretty good, I'd say. And in this shite hole we call a world, that's really saying something.